Today, I'm taking you to a place not everyone is allowed to enter. A place where every shift carries enormous pressure, because they are building one of the most powerful military transport aircraft in the world, the C-17A. From the Earth's bounty, the extraordinary journey of the C-17 Globemaster III begins, long before the aircraft ever touches a runway. Its story starts deep within the raw materials that will one day define its strength, resilience, and purpose. Across America, titanium, aluminum, and advanced alloys begin their transformation, marking the first steps in shaping one of the world's most capable military transport aircraft. Molten titanium is precisely formed, creating the crucial structural backbone of the C-17A. This isn't simple metalwork, it's the foundation of air power. Each ingot and forged section is engineered to withstand immense stress, extreme temperatures, and decades of demanding missions. Raw materials move from coast to coast, flowing through a tightly synchronized supply chain, all destined for the C-17A production line. Inside advanced manufacturing facilities, precision engineering takes over. Massive 5-axis machines begin sculpting raw aluminum into complex aircraft components with astonishing accuracy. These machines move fluidly across multiple dimensions, carving fuselage bulkheads and structural elements that must be perfect down to fractions of a millimeter. What starts as solid metal slowly reveals the unmistakable geometry of flight. From initial design models to physical reality, American ingenuity drives every step. Complex machinery shapes strong alloys into aerodynamic forms, while human expertise ensures nothing is left to chance. After machining, meticulous inspections follow. Experienced eyes and calibrated instruments verify that every surface, curve, and edge meets uncompromising standards. Here, precision is not optional. It is the philosophy that defines the C-17. Each component, no matter how large or small, carries the responsibility of future missions, delivering troops, equipment, and humanitarian aid anywhere on Earth. And this is only the beginning of a journey that will turn raw material into a flying symbol of global reach and reliability. As raw materials give way to precision-crafted components, the C-17A's physical form begins to emerge. Flat sheets of aluminum are transformed into complex curves, each panel carefully shaped to meet both aerodynamic demands and structural strength. This transition, from raw stock to refined aircraft skin, marks a critical phase where engineering theory meets manufacturing reality. Every panel is meticulously crafted, drilled, and prepared. Hundreds of precisely aligned holes await rivets that will permanently bind the aircraft structure together. Automated systems perform much of this work with relentless accuracy, while technicians monitor stress indicators and sensor readings in real time. Everything proceeds according to schedule, measured, verified, and confirmed. Make sure that's seated correctly before we lift. Looks good from here. Ready for the crane signal. Within massive assembly jigs, the C-17A's backbone takes shape. These fixtures hold fuselage sections in perfect alignment as robotic and human teams work side by side. Rivets are set in carefully sequenced patterns, creating a lightweight yet incredibly strong internal skeleton. Stringers and frames interlock with mathematical precision, forming a structure capable of enduring heavy cargo loads and rough landings. Every action is deliberate. Pressure sensors are monitored. Checklists are reviewed. Each completed step feeds seamlessly into the next, ensuring continuity across the entire build. The result is not just structural integrity, but confidence. Confidence that the aircraft will perform flawlessly under the most demanding conditions. This phase reveals the true nature of the C-17 program. A balance of automation and craftsmanship. Machines provide consistency and speed, while skilled hands provide judgment, experience, and accountability. Together, they ensure that when the aircraft finally takes flight, its core is as reliable as the mission it will serve. With the fuselage structure taking shape, attention shifts to one of the C-17A's most critical elements, its supercritical wing. Within towering assembly jigs, this marvel of aerospace engineering begins to form. Designed to provide exceptional lift, efficiency, and stability, the wing is essential to the aircraft's ability to operate from shore. Austere runways around the world, Skilled technicians meticulously install each wing rib, building the internal framework piece by piece.
Step over there.
Every rib must align perfectly, forming an incredibly strong internal lattice capable of supporting immense loads. From above, the wing reveals a complex, multi-layered
foreign object
design,
debris.
a testament
Confirmed.
to intricate engineering refined through decades of flight experience. Confirming visual on rib section 4. Tactile check complete.
Alignment check on the starboard
Surface is
stabilizer,
smooth.
reading
No
at
foreign
0.4
object
is
debris
0.005.
Confirmed.
Teams of
Within
American
tolerance.
artisans work
Proceed
in
with the
coordinated
sequence.
precision.
Alignment check on the
Combining
starboard
technical
stabilizer,
expertise with
reading at
hands-on
0.4 is
craftsmanship. Each
0.005.
fastener,
Confirmed.
bracket, and reinforcement is installed with care. Laying repeated binding imperfections can have major consequences in flight. This lean is not simply It embodies control, efficiency, and adaptability. This wing allows the C-17A to fly long distances, carry massive payloads, and still land where few other large aircraft can. As work progresses, the scale of the aircraft becomes undeniable. The wing alone reflects the balance of brute strength and refined engineering that defines the Globemaster III. With the wings complete, the aircraft is one step closer to becoming a fully realized tool of global mobility. While wings and fuselage sections come together, another critical transformation unfolds inside the aircraft: the construction of the C-17A's advanced flight deck.
Okay, I'm clear.
This is the
Setting it
command
down.
center, where human judgment and digital precision converge. Expert technicians carefully install each display, ensuring flawless alignment and structural security for the demanding missions ahead. Control yokes are positioned with exacting care, integrating direct manual command into a highly sophisticated flight control system. The robust throttle quadrant follows, vital for managing the immense power generated by the aircraft's engines. Every switch, screen, and control is installed with purpose, creating a cockpit designed for clarity, reliability, and
All
endurance.
right, check the alignment on station
Hold it
42.
steady now, just a few more
Confirmed. We're
inches.
green for the next panel.
Copy that. Moving into alignment. Looks good.
Slow
Beyond
descent
the
and track
cockpit,
left.
attention
Spotter,
turns to
confirm
the
gap.
aircraft's distinctive
Safe clearance
tail.
confirmed.
The
Keep it
horizontal
coming.
stabilizer is carefully lifted and guided into position, inch by inch. Laser alignment tools confirm precision as the massive structure settles into place.
The
Clear on
iconic
edge.
T-tail begins to
Hold it
stand
there.
tall,
Alignment
defining its
jig
silhouette.
set.
Massive
Laser level
components
steady.
move as if
Torquing
weightless,
sequence
guided by
initiated.
teamwork.
The C-17A's iconic T-tail begins to stand tall, defining its unmistakable silhouette. This structure is critical for stability and control, especially in heavy load Every connection verified. Precision engineering made this seamless with disciplined teamwork. Massive components move as if weightless, guided by steady hands and clear communication. With the flight deck and tail now integrated, the aircraft's identity becomes unmistakable, strong, purposeful, and ready for the next stage of assembly. As the C-17A continues its transformation, the focus shifts to one of the most demanding stages of assembly: uniting the massive fuselage section. Precision engineering guides every movement as enormous structures are slowly brought together. Their alignment measured across
Hold it steady
thousands
at
of
the far
reference
rail.
points. Just a
Reading
hair more on the
confirmed.
port side.
354.
Copy that. Moving 5 feet east. Clear on
We
the
need
left.
5
Keep
millimeters
it steady.
starboard on the forward section.
Inside the
Roger
growing
that.
airframe,
5 millimeters.
advanced
Moving now.
avionics await integration. Beneath the flight deck, technicians carefully route complex wiring harnesses through the aircraft's skeletal structure. These dense networks form the nervous system of the C-17A.
Keep coming very slowly, just a hair
Connecting
more.
flight controls, navigation,
Okay, gap is good.
communication,
Hold position.
and mission
Stop.
systems. Each harness is meticulously secured, labeled, and inspected. Behind the cockpit, countless wires converge into organized bays, dense with connections, yet engineered for accessibility and long-term reliability. Rigorous inspections confirm every connection, ensuring flawless signal integrity and redundancy where it matters most. Meanwhile, the vast cargo hold emerges.
Check the
revealing
alignment
true
on this seam
purpose
right
of the
here.
Globemaster
Looks
III.
good according to the
Designed
schematic.
carry
Let's move on.
tanks, helicopters, relief supplies, and personnel. The cargo bay reflects unmatched versatility. Measurements are checked, gaps analyzed, and tolerances confirmed against the blueprint. I'm seeing a slight variation here. The gap is consistent with spec. We're good. With fuselage sections fully joined, the aircraft begins to feel complete. What was once a collection of parts now stands as a unified structure, solid, balanced, and mission-ready. This phase underscores the scale and complexity of the C-17A, where every successful connection brings it closer to operational reality. With the airframe unified, attention turns to the systems that give the C-17A its strength on the ground and power in the air.
Steady, steady.
Massive titanium landing gear bogies are carefully maneuvered into
Lower it
position
slowly,
beneath
we
the
are clear.
fuselage, a critical milestone in the aircraft's assembly. Easy now. Clear on the left. Gauges are reading green. Alignment is perfect. Engaging the lock sequence. We are docked. Heavy-duty bolts are torqued to exact specifications, securing the landing gear for decades of demanding service. Every hydraulic line is connected with precision, ensuring safe operation during takeoff, landing, and taxi under extreme loads. Final torque checks confirm readiness to proceed. Next comes the heart of the Globemaster III, its powerful engines. Suspended beneath cranes, each engine begins its careful ascent toward the wing pylons.
Paint job looks solid.
Teams communicate
Double check the
constantly,
rivets near the wing.
guiding the massive
Will do.
assemblies with calm, deliberate movements. Clear the starboard
Okay,
side.
slow down on your
Slow
side.
and steady.
Easy now.
Bring it left just
Copy
a
that.
fraction. And stop.
Coming in
We have
slow.
alignment. With alignment pins engaged, the engines are structurally integrated, marking a defining moment in the build. Checklists are completed, parameters verified, and the installation signed off. What was once silent structure now has the capability to roar to life. Robotic systems then apply the first layers of coating, followed by skilled hands meticulously spraying the aircraft in its signature strategic airlift gray. The finish is non-reflective, durable, and mission-ready, designed to endure harsh environments worldwide. The C-17A now stands on its own landing gear, fully powered, unmistakably an aircraft. Only final testing remains before it awakens for the first time. With assembly complete, the C-17A enters its final and most anticipated phase. Ground power units are connected, and teams across the hangar report readiness. The massive aircraft, silent until now, prepares to awaken. Copy that. All stations report ready for initial power sequence. Systems are green. Chief, moving to tail. Power surges through the aircraft as critical systems come online one by one. Precision checks confirm avionics functionality, hydraulic response, and control system integrity.
From the shadows
Years
of
of
the hangar
meticulous
to
work
the
are validated
bright
in
promise
moments
of
as
the sky.
displays illuminate and
This
diagnostics
is what
confirm
we can
flawless
achieve
operation.
when we
As hangar doors slowly part, light floods in, revealing the completed Globemaster III. Its iconic shape, defined by broad wings, towering tail, and robust landing gear, stands as a testament to American aerospace engineering and teamwork. Final review complete. Engines are ready. Soon, the engines will deliver their inaugural roar. Every
We need to
bolt,
check the stabilizer
wire,
trim
and
indicators
panel
up there.
reflects
All right, I'll
unwavering
prep the scaffold
dedication
for
from
access
countless
after lunch.
skilled hands. From raw materials to a fully operational aircraft, the journey of the C-17A embodies precision, resilience, and purpose. Designed to deliver troops and equipment to the front lines anytime, anywhere, the C-17A also serves as a lifeline in humanitarian missions, bringing relief to disaster zones and hope for those in need. Its ability to land on short, unpaved runways sets it apart.
The retraction actuator looks slightly misaligned.
I see it.
Crafted by
We should
American
report that
hands,
before the next cycle.
C-17 Globemaster III now stands
Confirm
ready
clear,
to conquer the
cockpit.
skies and serve the world. Powerful, reliable,
Ready for engine
and
start.
prepared for whatever
Ground
mission
equipment
lies
secure.
ahead.